Hello children, welcome back to the Vidura College Colombo Grade 5 Computer Science lesson. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel Part 2 lesson. This is really enjoyable and you have to engage with more practicals. So let's start it. I want to tell you a special thing. My dear children, please refer the Microsoft Excel Part 1 video well before watch this video because it will make you more understandable. In this video, we are going to talk about 3 things. These 3 things are really important to work with Microsoft Excel. The things are, first we are talking about data types, and then how to enter the data to a spreadsheet, and at last we are talking about formulas. Now let's know data types of Microsoft Excel. There are 3 data types that can be entered to a cell in a spreadsheet. They are, the first one is text, second number data, third formulas. Text means the words that you can enter there. Then the second is number data. As you know, the numbers. Number data means numbers. And at last we are talking about formulas. How to enter data. First, you want to select the cell that you want to enter data. At first, you want to select the cell where you want to enter the data. Then in that selected cell you can type the data. It may be a text, it may be a number, or else it may be a formula. However, at first you want to select the cell, then type the data in that selected cell, and then at last press enter key. So there are only 3 easy steps to enter data to a worksheet. Select the cell, then type data, then press enter key. So here you can see text data. I have typed 3 names, Nick, Sam, Tom. And then here I am entering the other data type, number data. I am entering 3 numbers there. Now formulas. So this is a formula. You can learn more about formulas in this video. Now let's know about the formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations in a spreadsheet. We are using formulas to perform calculations in a spreadsheet. The calculations. What are the calculations? Calculations mean things what you are doing in your maths period. Really easy to understand. So in here we are learning about the basic calculations that you are doing. The first calculation is addition. Can you see the symbol of addition? The name of the symbol is plus sign. And the second calculation is subtraction. The symbol is minus sign. And then the third calculation is division. Can you look at this symbol? This is the symbol of division that we are using on spreadsheets. So the name of that symbol is forward slash. And the other basic calculation is multiplication. What about this symbol? It's like a star or a flower. What do you know about this? The name of this symbol is asterisk. This is asterisk. This is not a star or a flower, but it looks like that. This is asterisk. We are using this asterisk symbol to to perform the multiplication on a spreadsheet. Now we are going to write a formula to add two numbers. Before enter this part, I would like to summarize the upper part. Now my dear children, as you know, we are using Microsoft Excel spreadsheets to do the calculations. The main calculations that we can do on a spreadsheet are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. They are having separate symbols to perform their calculations. To do those calculations, we are using three data types to enter data on a spreadsheet. The three data types are text data, number data and formulas. So now let's write a formula to add two numbers. Now let's see someone's maths mark 65, someone's English marks 78. We can get the total of someone's maths and English marks to this cell. And then next Charit's maths mark 50, English mark 70. As summoned, we can get Charit's total also to this cell. So let's find the total of someone's maths and English marks by adding his marks. Now let's write the formula. We should start the formula with an equal sign. Now we are going to find the total of maths marks and English marks. To find the total of numbers, we have to add them. So the calculation here we use in addition. When we are writing a formula to add numbers, after the equal sign, we should type these three letters. Sum, equal, sum, and then the next step of the formula is open a bracket. Now we want to enter the first number that we are going to add. It is 65. The important thing is we are not typing the number 65. Instead of typing the number 65, we want to type there the name of the cell. 65. What is the cell address of 65? Let's find out it. Let's find column first. C column. So we can type there C. And then go towards the row. The row number is 4. And then we can type there 4. So our first number is 65. The address of the cell is C4. Now can you see there, after we typed it, it was highlighted. Then 65 plus. Now we can type plus sign. Then the second number, it is 78. We can't type 78 there. We need the cell address. The cell address is D4. Now here I will tell you a shortcut. You don't want to type the cell address here. Just go to the number and click on that number. Now my number is 78. It is in this cell. So I'm going to click on it. Now can you see the cell address applied here? Now we have taken all the numbers that we want to add. We need only two numbers, 65 and 78. 65 is in C4 cell, 78 is in D4 cell. Now we can close the bracket. Now we can enter this. What is the answer? The answer is 143. Check whether if this is correct or wrong. Let's go back to the answer. I'll click on it. Now again look at the formula bar. Now in here in the answer we can't see the formula that we have written, but if we want to check it, we can go to the formula bar and in there we can see the formula that we have written. Now, do you know the golden rule of working with a spreadsheet? The golden rule is always start a formula with the equal sign. If you don't type the equal sign, you may get a wrong answer. Shall we give it a try? Now again I am here. I am going to get the total of someone's maths and English marks. I am not typing the equal sign this time. Without typing the equal sign, I just write the formula. Enter. Can you see? There's nothing. We didn't get the answer. The software didn't recognize this as an formula. That's why it doesn't give us the answer. Without the equal sign, they are not recognizing this as a formula. So it is really important. Don't forget the golden rule. Now let's write a formula to subtract the numbers. Here we are going to subtract 30 from 100 and get the answer into B6 cell. So I'm going to get my answer into B6 cell. So at first I have clicked on B6 cell. First start the formula with the equal sign. Next sum and then open the bracket. In here you can see I have started the formula with the equal sign and then open bracket. Now the numbers 100 is in cell B2. Yes, we need 100 first, so we should find the name or address of the cell. 100 is in B2 cell. So type or select B2 cell. We can type B2 or else you can select the B2 cell. Then the subtraction symbol is minus sign, so type the minus sign. Then the next number is 30. Where is 30? 30 is in B4 cell. You can type B4 cell or else you can click on B4 cell and then you can close the bracket. Now we have finished writing the formula. Everything is there. The golden rule, equal sign is there. We are doing subtraction, so we should type sum, then open bracket. The first number B2, minus sign. The second number 30, B4. Then we have closed the bracket. Now press enter key. After you have pressed enter key, the answer should be present in B6 cells. So here you can see there are two numbers 100 and 30. We are going to subtract this 30 from 100. I'm going to get my answer into B6 cell. First I want to select the cell which I am going to bring the answer. Now I can write the formula to that cell. I will start my formula with the equal sign, then sum, and then we can open the bracket. My first number is 100. I need the address of cell. I am not going to type the address of the cell. I am going to click on the cell. Bring your cursor onto the cell and click on it. Now the address of the cell is applied to the formula. This time we are going to subtract, so I am typing the minus sign. Then the second number is 30. I am going to select that cell also. before it is also applied. Now I can close the bracket. Still I didn't get the answer, but my formula has finished. To get the answer, I want to press enter key. The answer is 70. Now let's write a formula to multiply the numbers. Let's multiply 5 from 10 and get the answer into E2 cell. Now let's start to write the formula. First start the formula with the equal sign, the golden rule. Next sum and then open the bracket. Now my dear children, when we were doing addition and subtraction, we have taken the word sum there. And also when we are doing multiplication, we have to take sum to the formula. Equal sign, sum, then open the bracket. Now let's take the numbers. The first number is 5. So 5 is in cell B2. So type or select B2. Then the multiplication symbol. Multiplication symbol is the asterisk symbol. Type the asterisk symbol. Then the second number is 10. It is in cell C2. So type or select C2 and then you can close the brackets after you have taken the both numbers. Now the formula is finished. Equal sign, sum, open a bracket, the first number, the symbol of the calculation, asterisk, then the second number and then close the bracket. Now press enter key to get the answer. Now the answer will appear into the E2 cell. Okay. The two numbers are here, 5 and 10. I'm going to multiply these two numbers and then the answer should be in this cell E2. So before writing the formula, I have selected the cell. Now let's start the formula with equal sign. Sum should be there. Then open a bracket, then the number, the first number is 5, so I need the name of the cell B2. I will click on it. Cell name of the first number is applied there, then the asterisk symbol. I have taken the asterisk symbol and then the second number is 10. I will go there and select it. Second one is also applied. Now I can close the bracket. Now my formula is finished. Press enter key to get the answer. The answer is 50. Now we can move to another part. It is division. Now let's write a formula to divide the numbers. Here we are going to divide this 20 from this 5 and I am going to bring the answer into this E2 cell. Now let's start to write the formula. First start the formula with the equal sign. Next, here also we are using the word sum. And then open the bracket, equal sign, sum and the bracket. 20 is in cell B2, so we can type or select B2. The division symbol is forward slash. Now type the forward slash. And then we can take the next number, the divider, it is 5. So 5 is in cell C2. Type or select C2 and close the brackets. Now I think our formula has finished. We have started the formula with the equal sign, then sum, open bracket, B2 forward slash C2 and then close the bracket. Now you can press enter key. Now the answer should be present in E2 cell. My dear children, there are more functions in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet more than these. You can refer your ICT textbook to find more. Do the practices by using your computers to understand this well. Doing practical is really essential to understand these types of application lessons well. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson well, and let's meet again with a new lesson. Till that, goodbye, take care.